Hi guys and welcome to my video. My name's Emily Monks and today I'm going to be reviewing a Teddy Blake bag. So Teddy Blake sent me this bag and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and the quality of it and what I think of it. If you do enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. I love you all. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe and press that notification bell so you don't ever miss a notification of when I upload. I love you all. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the box looks like this. It's this gorgeous Teddy Blake white box and it's black at the side and it's got this gorgeous little opening direction. So you open the box like this and then it comes into this gorgeous shape and it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. So these bags are designed to go with each of your outfits. So this is what the bag comes in. It comes in this gorgeous dust bag and it's this fluffy cotton material. It's really cute and it's a drawstring bag, and I think this is such a nice touch because look at the gorgeous fluff on it. It's so nice. So that's to protect your bag in travelling. I think it also came in some bubble wrap, the original bag in the packaging, but I couldn't help myself. I had to have a little sneaky peek before I filmed this video. But yeah, this is what it comes like. And this is the bag I chose. So it's this gorgeous blue and brown bag and it's got this gorgeous brown handle, and we'll just pay attention to the detail of this bag. So the drawstring, it all has stitching on it and stitching down there, and then it's got little knots tied. There's stitching all across here. Look at the stitching here and the direction it goes in, and it's got this gorgeous Teddy Blake writing on it at the front. And then it's just drawstring, so that's how it's fastened. It has these gorgeous gold buttons down the side and this shoulder pad, so it stops it from rubbing on your shoulder there. It's so stunning, look at that. And this is how to open it. And then it's got the blue leather inside. All of the Teddy Blake handbags are made from Italian leather and they're all handmade. And this little feature comes attached to the bag and it just attaches on with the gold button like the rest of the things on the handle. Just put that in there. But this is what the little purse comes in. This is like a little money holder or whatever you want to put in it. Usually I put my earrings on in the train, so I'd put my earrings in here with my money and ID, maybe things like that. Also, the attention to detail in these bags are gorgeous because they've got a little, the little purse is attached by this section here, and you can remove that little strap off the bag, and you can put it on easily. All of the bags are really easy to take apart and put back together. And all of the bags have this little gorgeous brown tag in them that say Teddy Blake on there, New York, and then this has Teddy Blake, New York written on it, and inside it also has a tag that says Teddy Blake, and I think that's such a gorgeous little touch. So this is what the gorgeous bag looks like. Absolutely adorable. So the bag also came with this little leaflet, and this tells you all about the Teddy Blake bags. So they've got a range of bags on the front, and I'll show you a few of the items that they do. So here are the bags, and down here are the colours that they do them in. They even do purses and little bag ties for the bags. Also, if you buy a bag, you get $50 store credit, and you can also use my code to get $20 off as well. You can use my code TBEmily20 for $20 off your purchase, and there's 35% off site-wide, so you can get 35% off your bag, $20 off your bag with my code, and then when you've bought a bag, you can get $50 store credit for your next bag, so that's really exciting, isn't it? Sadly everybody, we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. Please check out Teddy Blake, and all the links will be in the description box below along with my code, which is TBEmily20. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you all. Thank you for watching. My Instagram is EmilyMonks1. My Snapchat is EMO112. Love you all. Please hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and subscribe. Love you all. Goodbye.